Morning guys, welcome to Anyana Tansa, located at Mulawin, Tansa, Cavite. This one is the model house unit, the Sydney model. The lot area is 80 square meter, but you can choose which bigger lot area. This one is one car garage. This one is a fully finished turnover unit. The living area, and this one is the kitchen. We have one bathroom at the ground floor. This unit is a pre-selling unit. You can avail this one through installment, 21 months to pay the down payment, and the balance is loanable through bank financing. And ang mga Sydney natin is itatayo siya sa West Home Residences. This one is the second toilet bath, the second floor. Second bedroom, the master bedroom. And by the way, meron tayong promo for this month. 21 months to pay ang down payment natin. So, hurry, reserve your unit. I am your real estate agent, Mirna Miligrito. You can call me at 0917-305-544.